What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. This is my weekly tech pickup video. This is from the week of November 11th through the 18th. So what has come in those 7 days, Sunday to Sunday? We've got 5 items this week to take a look at. Each one is pretty kick butt and unique in its own right. Each one is represented in the show notes, so if you're interested in any of these, I'm not doing a full-on review of any of this until later. Some of them won't get a full-on review. They're just going to get this nice little honorable mention. But check the show notes. I will have a link for everything so you can check it out more for yourself and decide if you want to purchase one or not. Or stay tuned. I will try to review some of these bigger items in depth in a solo video. Alright, so let's start out. Again, weekly tech pickups ending November 18th. Start here, work left to right, front row, into the back, save the big ticket item for last. How does that sound? So, let's look at this item. This is from Desert West. This company reached out to me and said, hey, would you like to take a look at our USB-C hubs? And I was like, they're a dime a dozen anymore, but let me take a look at it. And I'm like, oh, yeah, that looks like a very nice USB-C hub. So I said yes. So they sent me this for the show to take a look at, and I really am impressed with this USB-C hub. Now it does have the dual USB-C, so this is more tailored obviously for an Apple MacBook Pro, which has the dual USB-C drives. Now, what's cool about this guy is you've got micro SD, SD, you've got Type-C, and you've got 2 USB 3.0s, and you have another Type-C. One of them is power pass-through. Wait, not done yet. Flip it over. We've got HDMI on the end. That is a lot of kick butt ports. So what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 in one hub. Technically, you're losing 2, so you're gaining, I guess 5 things, because you're losing your 2 USB-C ports, but you get them back. One has power pass-through. The other one's more for data and video, but definitely a nice looking hub. This is made out of aluminum. I was impressed with the quality, and there's this Desert West. So anyway, guys, check that out. Now, one item that I was not impressed with the quality on, I actually purchased this. I saw a little pop-up ad. It was late one night. I might have had a few drinks, so call it an impulse buy. Okay, so this iClip popped up, and I was like, ooh, that really looks nice. So I ordered it. I think it was like 25 bucks. All right, so let's go ahead and take a look at it. And visually, it is quite stunningly nice. Okay, that is a carbon fiber. This is a wallet. If you haven't figured that out, a clip wallet. So if you look at it aesthetically, it looks pretty kick butt, right? It's got a nice little clip in here, the iClip. Look at this picture. This is the picture they used online, and this is what sold me actually. I was like, oh man, that looks amazingly kick butt. There, look at that picture. Doesn't that look nice? High quality, looks very stylish and cool. Yeah, this is what it is. Plastic. Plastic. You're hearing the metal snap. This is all plastic. Cheap, chintzy plastic. And it doesn't feel very high quality at all. It actually feels pretty cheap. This carbon fiber is actually a rubbery rendition of carbon fiber. So yeah, as you can see here, it's cloth on this side. So it's just definitely a carbon fiber look more than any kind of carbon fiber actually on it. So, you win some, you lose some. The iClip. Don't really highly recommend it at all. Okay? So, it is very aesthetically pleasing. Next, something I've had a problem with, especially as I get older and my eyesight seems to get worse. I've graduated to readers. I don't have any prescription stuff. I've always been 20/20. But as I get older, I do find it hard to read little print, especially little print that's all crammed together. So that makes it difficult. And also I'm needing better lighting. So when I go into some places to work, the lighting absolutely sucks. Or it's just not enough for me to actually do my gig. So I found this solution that I threw on the floor. Technically it's right there, but the box didn't slip. So this is the IdeaWorks Super Bright Portable LED Lamp. Stays bright for 100,000 hours and it's got 3 brightness levels, 24 LEDs, 48 lumens, which was absolutely perfect for what I was looking for. So let's demo this guy real quick, because this is not going to get its own video. So I will demo it here. So I'm going to plug it into this Nimble charger. And let's turn the Nimble charger on. And now, when we pop this up, you can put this on a table at a coffee shop or whatever. See, it's very portable. And you just turn it on. As you can see here, it's got 3 levels of brightness. Mediocre, mediocre more, and definitely bright. Okay, that does the work. It works great. And all I did was just plug it into a USB power bank. Okay, and that's how I use it in coffee shops or wherever I work, portably, mobily, on the go. It does reduce down to quite a small little footprint. The only caveat to this guy is it is a barrel type cable, so don't lose that cable. And it is USB. But definitely a barrel type cable that's not real super common, so keep that cable with it at all times so you can use it. And definitely a nice little portable light that I've actually had people comment on it, because I'll have it on my table and my little table area is illuminated quite nicely, and they'll be like, oh no, that's really neat, that's a great idea. I'm like, thanks. So again, 3 brightness levels. This thing can contort to like an Olympic gymnast style. You can pretty much do everything with it. Folds flat, energy efficient, powered by USB cable included, or 4 AA batteries that are not included, and I didn't show you that. You can technically put, if you don't even want to have a USB bank with you, 4 USB batteries in here, which I do not have. I just use a power bank. Alright, moving on. Back here, Ugreen. Portable power station for Hero 5 and 6. Now, it might work for 7, don't know, but definitely works for 5 and 6. This is a 10,000 milliamp power bank, and definitely got some cool features. So you say, well, it's just a power bank, right? Not so much. Alright, first off, it's pretty thin. It's not bad for 10,000 milliamps. You can charge it via Type-C, or you can charge out via USB. And, you know, hey, is that really it? Push this, you get some LEDs to show you how much juice it's left. But the cool feature of this guy is definitely this. If I can get it open. Slide, lift, Hero battery. Let's see. Boom. Boom. I'm charging my Hero 6 battery. How cool is that? So, if you guys are Hero, GoPro users, this is a damn cool USB power bank, okay? Because like I said, I have a Hero battery concealed in here charging, and I can still charge via this too. I can charge my iPhone, my whatever else, iPad, through this as well, while my Hero battery charges inside this guy. That was pretty kick butt. So, last but not least, the Nomad base station. This is going to get its own video review, so we're not going to go crazy on it in this video, but this guy here is super cool, stylish, and a great gift idea, especially if you've got a power charging station in your house that is crazy with cables everywhere and wires and all that kind of stuff. This guy will take care of that for you. Now, my only complaint is this power brick is quite big, okay? It's a pretty good sized power brick, and it's a barrel type, so you gotta plug this in, obviously. But once you do that, the base station has got some cool features, okay? Now it does come with some universal type plugs for different countries. So here is the stylish looking Nomad base station, okay? This is leather. This is beautiful leather, and it's definitely got a nice build, a nice look, and it has wireless built into it, so you can plop down whatever you want on here to wirelessly charge. So plug this in, there's where the barrel goes. You've got USB, and you've got Type-C that you can also plug in and charge from this guy. But for the most part, you can set your items down on this wireless leather pad and charge your devices. Here's a nice little quick look at it. Wireless charging dock, charging hub edition. Dual 10-watt output wireless charging. So both of these have wireless charging. And I don't know why they've got AirPods so much into that picture, because the AirPods won't charge wirelessly, but unless you have a certain item that we covered in a video right there, the Hyper Juice. So check that out. Then you can do this. Your AirPods will charge off of this. Dual USB output with USB-C 18-watt power distribution. Double sortie USB 18 watt. So you can use that USB-C 18 watt two ways. Aluminum and leather construction. So USB-A, USB-C. There you go. It's got two phones charging in the back picture. Powers 4 devices at once. Yeah, you can charge 4 devices at once. 2 wireless, 2 wired. 3 wireless coils allow multiple charging locations and devices. USB-C output 3 amps. USB-A output 1.5 amps. Ambient light sensor automatically adjusts LED charge status indicators. Pretty cool. Alright, and we'll do a quick separate video on that guy. I covered it pretty good there, but I do want to show it in action and definitely show you wirelessly charging your AirPods with it. Won't that be cool? Yes, it will. Alright guys, so that is my tech pickups for the week ending November 18th. Quite a few things. Again, check the show notes. I'll have a link for all of this stuff. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I may not have a link for this. Anyway guys, subscribe, like. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.